Hello and welcome to all. Today I will give you a detailed information about fully funded PhD position in Australia. Monash University, situated in Australia, provides plenty of PhD and research positions with full scholarship to international students all over the world. A sister university of Monash University, situated in Malaysia as well. In this video, we will talk about fully funded PhD position in Monash University and eligibility requirement and procedure of application for available PhD position with scholarship. So for applying the PhD position in Australia, just type on Google Monash University Australia, then click on the website of Monash University, monash.edu. Then you have to go on international. On international, you have to go international student. Just click on international student. It will open a page. In that, you have to go and click on research degree. After clicking on research degree, you have to click on admission and scholarship round. Then the page appears which will give you all the information about applying PhD position in Monash University. First, you have to check about your eligibility, minimum educational qualification. If you are applying for PhD, then you just click on doctoral degree. It will give you information about the minimum qualification you required before applying to PhD position. They have stated that bachelor degree, at least 4 years of full-time study, and master degree that include a significant research component in your curriculum. So if you are applying for PhD position in pharmacy, then MPharm is eligible. Minimum qualification for applying PhD position in pharmacy at Monash University. You can also apply for master position in Monash University as well. So for that, there are different eligibility requirements. So both options available in front of all the international students that they want to do PhD, then they also do PhD with full scholarship, or if they are a graduate student wants to do master in Australia, then they can also apply at Monash University with full scholarship as well. So after checking the eligibility, just scroll down. Here you will see different subjects like arts, education, engineering, pharmacy, health sciences, science. So in all these subjects, Monash University offers the PhD position. Suppose if you want to do PhD in pharmacy, then click on this. After clicking on this, a page appears. Here they have provided with information, a step-by-step guide how to apply a PhD position in pharmacy at Monash University. So step 1 is eligibility requirement. You have already checked with your eligibility. After confirming your eligibility for PhD, just go to step 2. Step 2 is finding your supervisor. There are two ways of finding the supervisor. First, by exploring the doctoral project, or by finding guide with different field of research in pharmacy. So if we click on doctoral project, after clicking on doctoral projects, a page will open that will give you information about all the projects that are currently running in pharmacy department at Monash University. If someone wants to do PhD in drug discovery biology, just click on this. All the projects that are currently running are in front of you, and the lab heads in front of each product. There is a supervisor name is also indicated, so you can do PhD in that supervisor as well. You just have to contact them directly. If someone wants to do PhD in medicinal chemistry, just click on this, and suppose you want to do computational drug formulation, just click on this. It will open this page. In that you will get all the information about the project of computational drug formulation and the contact of that supervisor. So just contact them directly. This is the one way of contacting the different guides. Second is you can select the guide from different field of pharmacy. Like if you want to do PhD in discovery biology and you want to know the detail of all guides available in drug discovery biology, just click on this. It will open a page. Here you will get all the name of the guide who are currently doing research in drug discovery biology. Here you can see that there are total 64 researchers are available, and under them total 150 projects are currently running in drug discovery biology. So this is also another way. Here you can find your proposed guide for your PhD admission. So this was the procedure of finding guide. Now the step 2 is completed. The step 3 is to fill the expression of interest form. In this expression of interest form, you have to fill your whole detail, like about your academic background. You have to fill, you have to give about your academic transcripts, English test result. If you want to do PhD in Australia, you have to complete the English proficiency test. So you have to also fill your IELTS or TOEFL result in that. You have to upload your up-to-date CV in that. Scan copy of your passport and original research publication. All the research publication you have made, you have to give all the detail of your research publication in that form as well. After filling the form, in that form you also have to mention your research proposal or field of interest and proposed guide name. You have to also mention in that form. Then you will send this form online to and submit the form. After filling the form, all the detail will received by the faculty concerned, and they will evaluate your form on the basis of your academic background and research proposal. If the faculty find you suitable for admission to their PhD program, they will send you an invitation to apply. Using this invitation to apply, you have to apply for PhD admission in step 4. In step 4, using this link, you have to click on this. After clicking on this, the login page will appear in front of you. You have an invitation to apply. Then you have to they will provide you a application ID and password. You have to log on this, and then you can apply for your PhD program in Monash University. So total there are total 4 steps for applying PhD in Monash University, Australia. First, eligibility requirement. You have to check with your eligibility. So step 2 is finding your guide. You have to find your guide. I have told you about the procedure of how to find the guide. Now step 3rd is filling the form of expression of interest form. In that you have to give your all detail about your academic background and research publication and proposed guide and research proposal. Then faculty will evaluate your information. If they find suitable to you, they will send you an invitation to apply. Using this invitation to apply, in step 4 you have to apply using this link. Login portal is there. You have to use your application ID and password and log on, and you will able to apply in PhD program at Monash University, Australia. The admission of international students to Monash University for PhD and master, they are open throughout the year. Round 1 is open from 1st September to 31st March, and round 3rd is open from 1st April to 31st August every year. So throughout the year, the applications are open for PhD admission. So this is a 4-step process of applying for PhD admission in Monash University. Hope this video will be helpful for you all. Thank you very much. Before going, just like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.